Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add PayPal as a payout method on the Airbnb app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add PayPal as a payout method on the Airbnb app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Airbnb app. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Account Settings, then click on Payments, then click out Payout Methods. Next, set up payouts. And then from here, you're going to scroll down and select PayPal. Then click on Continue. And here, you need to select who owns the PayPal account. Click on Continue to PayPal. And at this point, it's going to go ahead and ask you to log into PayPal so that you can add PayPal as a payout method on the Airbnb app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add PayPal as a payout method on the Airbnb app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.